Like I was working like maybe 90 minutes every day. But थोड़ा ऐसा guilty feel होता था India. And it's always the Indian teams who compromise because I have worked in India as well. India में boundaries
Hmm.
missing थी basically.
Tell me about the journey कि उसके बाद like after masters then you what happened after that? Like you directly joined Amazon?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
no, I worked for this company called Autodesk for about 1 year.
What did it?
Yeah. So like when I had graduated at that time as well, the job market was pretty tough because of COVID.
Mm.
Um, yeah, I was just all of my roommates, we were just trying to find whatever job that we get so that we can start paying off our loans. Found a job at Autodesk, a great company. People were amazing. Yeah, but it was too chill. Like I was working like maybe 90 minutes every day.
Wow.
And like अगर तेरे को रिलैक्स करना है वो कंपनी इतनी अच्छी है मतलब everyone was so nice. Everyone gave you out time for something to do your own stuff. They had like great learning and development budget. You wanted to go do a certificate, go do a mini degree or something, they would just approve everything, go up level yourself. uh, it was a very nice company to just relax. But because of that, if you look at the stock price, it's been flat for the past 3 years, and I can see why. तो आई वाज लाइक यार उस टाइम पे थोड़ा ऐसा हिट हुआ कि मे बी आई शुड मूव आउट ऑफ दिस. आई एम स्टिल इन माय 20s.
Yeah.
एंड आई या आई शुड प्रोबब्ली बी वर्किंग हार्ड. थोड़ा ऐसा गिल्टी फील होता था. सो आई इंटरव्यूड इन मल्टीपल प्लेसेस. got through uh, got through most companies I applied to, but then Amazon's offer and team was the best one at the time. So I picked Amazon after that. And yeah, I joined Amazon in 2022. So been here for almost 3 years now.
Oh, nice. So you chose a company where like completely opposite to Autodesk की फेंक के भाई यहाँ पे 12-13 घंटे काम करना पड़ रहा है रोज.
Yeah. नहीं यहाँ पे like है काम, but you almost uh, yeah, you never work more than 8 to 10 hours days. Like
अच्छा.
during reInvent you do. So reInvent is AWS का annual conference.
अच्छा.
So जब reInvent होता है, like 1 to 2 months before reInvent, you do end up working like late night hours. You end up working till
Yeah.
2, 3 a.m. But on a regular day, you never work more than 8 to 10 hours, I would say. Uh, yeah. So there are still boundaries. मतलब I have worked in India as well. India में boundaries
Mm.
missing थी basically.
हाँ.
Like 2 बजे भी मैसेज करता था कोई तो 2 a.m. को तो you were expected to reply. And
Yeah.
people were coming into office at 11 a.m., leaving at like 10 p.m. in the night. I guess अभी भी होता है, but yeah, इधर थोड़ा है वो boundaries maintain करते हैं between work and life. Even if your work is pretty stressful.
Because I heard like especially Amazon, this e-commerce teams,
Mm-hmm.
they don't have boundaries. I don't know, maybe probably it's India के लिए है खाली. Whereas like during the sales or anything like उनको काफी intense हो जाता है काम. इससे.
Yeah, India office का तो होता है यार, because I take meetings with certain teams in India, and it's always the Indian teams who compromise because हमारे लिए सुबह होती है, but उनके लिए late night होता है. Uh, so they do have to
Hmm.
take like night meetings. But yeah, I don't know. I cannot comment on how the work culture in Amazon India is. It's yeah. I think work culture तो तुम्हारे country से आता है यार. उसमें company क्या करेगी? Uh,
Yeah.
uh,
So मतलब have you interacted with Europe teams, European Amazon teams?
yeah, वो मैसेज नहीं
वहाँ
करते
कैसे?
5. वो तो
5 बजे.
सेटअप करेंगे ताकि उनको ऑफिस लेट ना छोड़ना पड़े. Yeah, I mean, I do appreciate that. Like they don't back out on that. They stand their ground. उनको 3 बजे ऑफिस से निकलना है तो they will leave it at 3 p.m. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very interesting.